Friday afternoon is a good excuse. And happy to see all of you here. I can't properly see most of you at the back, but welcome nonetheless. Thank you so much for turning up. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Let's quickly kickstart this beautiful afternoon. You know we are going to give out a lot of awards, but before we do that, am I audible in the back? साफ आवाज आ रही है आपको? Two people replied. Thank you. Very nice. Generous of you all. Don't be like my ex-girlfriend. Talk to me. Like throughout the day, throughout the afternoon, let's have a conversation going on. Can you hear me at the back everywhere? Am I audible enough? Lovely. ये हुआ ना HR policy वाला काम. सबने हाथ उठाया. Awesome. Master थोड़ा कम करना पड़ेगा. Okay, before we begin, just wanted to quickly get a note of how many people are here in the room. Can you all raise your hand for me real quick? अपना एक हाथ ऐसे palm up करके comfortable length पे उठा लीजिए. दिल्ली वाले लोग कितने? हाथ तो उठाना आता ही होगा. We'll try and have some fun, right? Keep it like this, one hand up. With the other hand, put a finger down like this. ऐसा. Yeah, difficult, I know. One hand like this, the other one like that. Now take this finger on the palm of the person next to you. अपने पड़ोसी के palm के ऊपर ले जाइए. Don't touch it, ma'am. There could be a lawsuit there. I'm kidding. No lawsuits. We are in a bar. Things work out, right? Okay, so essentially what we're doing is this, right? आपका एक हाथ ऐसे, एक हाथ ऐसे. I'll say 3, 2, 1. The moment I say 1, with this hand, try to catch that finger. Yeah? And with the other hand, try to take it away. My brother is confused. This is not a UPSC exam. Any questions? Yeah, we're good? We're good? Okay. With one hand, palm up like that. With the other hand, a finger down like that. I'll say 3, 2, 1. The moment I say 1, try to catch the finger from one hand. The other hand, try to take it away. Don't start yet. Or you can. Sir, आप किसके साथ खेलेंगे? Cameraman के साथ खेलेंगे. Good words to have. Mr. India, आप अकेले खेले. Lovely. Okay, we're good. Shall we? In 3, get your hands out. 2, 1, go. He's like, तूने अच्छे से उंगली नहीं की. That's a valid thing, right? How many of you managed to catch a finger? Raise your hand. Congratulations, you guys are the Tushar Kapoor of this afternoon. Kidding. No, just kidding. Thank you so much. Just wanted to get you all up and going. Welcome to the Inkspell Insight Ignition 2.0. Well, you know, we feature 3 significant events within it, namely India Content Leadership Awards, the Social Stars Awards, and the Ad World Showdown. It's a unique platform that brings together leaders and innovators such as yourself from various sectors of the marketing and advertising industry. Before we begin, I would really like to give a shout out to all our partners and thank them for their valuable support. Our blog partner, ED Times, thank you. Our media partners for press release, thank you so much. Integrated marketing partner, Kenzio, thank you for your support. Media partner, Global Trends Forum, thank you so much to you as well. India Creatives Industry Council, our media partners as well. Thank you to you as well. Well, we tried to be as thorough as possible in the whole process, and that's where the jury came in. I would really like to show you all the stalwarts who've been instrumental in the process. These people gave us all the insights possible. So I would really like to give them a shout out and thank them for their valuable time and support and of course their expertise. It's a long list, so bear with me. Starting with Mr. Abhijit Dikshit, Vice President Marketing Communications, SGFC Bank Limited. Adishri Murtiya, VP Content Marketing and Brand, Z5 Global. Aditya Menon, AVP Marketing, Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail Limited. Ajay Maharaj, Head Corporate Communications and PR, Fortis Healthcare. Amitabh Biswas, Marketing Head, IPs Entertainment Network, OTT at Times Network. Amya Swaroop, Partner Marketing Advisory Services, Ernst & Young LLP. Anil Gurnani, Chief Sales and Marketing Officer at TTK Prestige. Anshuman Chakravarti, Head of Marketing and Communication at Somani Ceramics. Balaji Vidyanathan, Director and Head at Marketing SEMA. Franklin Templeton. Bhaskar Majumdar, Head Marketing Communications, CSR and Digital at Aegis South Asia. Bimlendu Tarafdar, ex Vice President Marketing at Wakefield Foods Private Limited. Charu Malhotra, Chief Brand Officer and Group Head of Marketing at APL Apollo Tubes Limited. Imran Qadri, Marketing and PR Head, Asia Emerging Markets in India, Harley Davidson Motor Company. Jitain Agrawal, Chief Marketing Officer, Hetic India Private Limited. Karan Sabde, Marketing, Media and Partnerships, Warner Bros. Kavita Jagtiani, Chief Marketing Officer, L&T Finance. Kavita Vyas, Senior Vice President and Head Digital Acquisition and Performance Marketing, HSBC. Madhu Datta, Head of Marketing and GM Brand Media Digital Social, Rayman Limited. Madhumita Fukan, Global Marketing Head at AI Businesses, Tech Mahindra. Mayank Prabhakar, Head of Digital Marketing, Vivo India. Nilima Burra, Chief Strategy and Transformation Officer, Luminous Power Technologies Private Limited. Nikhil Bhardwaj, Vice President and Head Corporate Communications, Bajaj Alliance General Insurance. Prasad Pimple, Executive Vice President and Head Digital Business Unit at Kotak Life. Rohit Gulati, Director Marketing, Johnson & Johnson. Ruchika Vyas, Head of Content Strategy, CNBC TV 18. Sachin Vashisht, Chief Marketing Officer, PaisaBazaar.com. Shalmali Desai, Senior Vice President B2B Revenue at Tata Play. Sharmila Sandeep, General Manager Marketing, Murugappa Group, CG Consumer Durables. Shobha Vasudevan, ex-head Enterprise Communications and PR at Dell Technologies. Shrishel Deshnur, Chief Marketing Officer, Indira IVF Group. Shweta Srivastava, Head of Digital Marketing, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories Limited. Somen Das, Marketing Head, Cipla. Sudeep Chawla, Vice President Marketing and Services, Pidilite Industries Limited. And Sumit Pahwa, Head Brand Content, Social and Media at Tata Tele Business Services. Well, these are the stalwarts in their fields, and we want to thank them. Can we have a round of applause for all of them for being so kind and joining us in the process? Lovely. Just at the kickstart, wanted to give you a context of why these awards are important and why these legitimate awards are coming your way. So congratulations to all the winners in advance. And if you didn't win it this year, well done. There's always a next year. So with that, we are moving on to the first category. This is the 4th edition of Social Stars Awards 2024, a captivating award that celebrates excellence in social media and shines a spotlight on the exceptional achievement of individuals as well as the brands who have mastered the art of storytelling in the digital realm. This exclusive ceremony aims to honor those who have skillfully leveraged social media platforms to craft compelling narratives, inspire their audiences, and drive remarkable success. Well, that brings us to the first set of awards. And to give out these awards, I would like to invite on stage from Inkspell, Mr. Vipul Tiwari, to do the honors and help us hand out these awards to the rightful winners. Lovely Inkspell. Of course, we've got more than 600 entries across 200 categories. So we are going to give out all the awards here that are present. If you are not present here, of course, we are not going through that category. We'll digitally or send it to the rightful owners of these awards. And while we are at it, let me quickly remind you, there's a menu up there. Use the scanner and eat the food just like this gentleman. Do not shy away. Do not hesitate. Grab your drinks. Ask the staff here. They'll help you out. Okay, moving on to the first category of this awards. Without further ado, Best Online Presence, LinkedIn. And the award goes to Tata Communications, Weaving a Digital Fabric. Ma'am, before you go, congratulations. You want to say a few words? We have plenty of time.
No, I just would like to say thank you. It has been a pleasure.
Thank you so much. Congratulations. I'll let you go back. Thank you. Yeah, the only request I have is... The only request I have this afternoon is what the heart surgeon at a lot of hospitals say. If you put your hands together enough, your heart will stay young forever. So tali bajate rahiyega throughout the afternoon. That's the only request. If you are getting an award, or especially if a competitor is getting an award, please make sure that you clap for them, regardless of whatever the categories are. So the next award is Best Business Content, and this one goes to Dream Se No Samjhota campaign by Tata Tele Business Services. Please give it up for the winners. There's a thing called karma. मैंने जब विनर बुलाया आपने ताली नहीं बजाई, जब आपने ताली बजाई विनर नहीं आए. Life runs around in circles, but please continue doing that. The next award is Best Social Strategy Campaign Telecommunications, and this one goes out to Dream Se No Samjhota campaign by Tata Tele Business Services. I'm assuming there's nobody here from that brand, but we'll still applaud for them. Congratulations. There's a video going on, so we can send it to them and they can see that we were happy. Best Multi-Platform Campaign is the next award, and this one goes to Equity 360-Degree World Cup Campaign by ICICI Securities. We have them here. Give it up, come on. Thank you. Ma'am, you want to say a few words? Thank you were the few words they chose. Well done. Thank you. Awesome. I was informed that it's an informal sort of an event. We've put it in a bar for that reason. And I was specifically told not to wear a business suit. I'm presuming that memo didn't reach you all. It didn't. It did. Well done. Regardless, moving on to our next award. This is Best Entertainment Content, and this one goes to Filmy. Do we have Filmy up here? We have them right here. Please give it up for the winners of Best Entertaining Content. Lovely. Congratulations, ma'am. पहली बार हुआ वैसे ऐसा ना मेरे साथ में. Somebody came up on the stage and said, "Are you sure this is our award?" Some confusion. New Filmy, but then again, we are absolutely sure this is yours. You truly deserve it. Congratulations. Very well done. Moving on to our next award. This is Best B2B Campaign, and this one goes to Don't Forget to Thank IT by Tata Tele Business Services. And they are not here. Regardless, congratulations to them. Wherever they are, we'll send it across. Best Financial Content is our next category. And this one is going to go out to the Fireside Chat by TVS Credit. Do we have the team up here? We do. Let's put our hands together and welcome the team TVS Credit for their campaign of Best Financial Content, the Fireside Chat. Nice. Everybody's just saying thank you and leaving. Where are you off to? This is Friday evening. What are your plans after this? Moving on to our next award. This is Best B2C Campaign, and the winners are Jio Air Fiber. Let's give it up for the winners. Do we have Jio Air Fiber team in the house? Apparently not. Is that the team? No. Okay. Moving on to our next category, this is Best Viral Marketing Campaign. And this one goes to Playground Season 3 for Amazon Mini TV by RVCJ Media. All right. Congratulations. Very well done. I was the auctioneer for Amazon Mini TV's Playground Season 1. And I've seen the growth. You guys have done phenomenal. And also look at the fact Rajnikant versus CID jokes से start हुए और RVCJ Media तक के it's a absolute blast of a journey. Give it up for the winners, man. Well done, you guys. Congratulations. Moving on to our next award, this is Best Social Strategy Campaign, Cause, NPO, NGO, CSR. And this one goes to SGFC Ergo General Insurance Company Limited. Let's give it up for the team SGFC Ergo General Insurance Company Limited. Well done, ma'am. Congratulations. If anybody of you feel like saying a few words, please take the mic from me.
It's so wonderful being here on Friday evening. I think this is one of the unconventional venues that we have seen. So great. Congratulations to you guys for pulling this together. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Very sweet of you. Unconventional तो है. Normally Friday evening में लोग यहाँ से बाहर खींच के ले जाने पड़ते हैं. Friday afternoon में आप लोग को लाया गया है. For sure. Moving on to our next category. This is Best Community Engagement. And this one goes to You Grow Girl. Give it up for the team for pulling this off. Do we have the winners in the house? We do. Please give it up. Please give it up. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations. आपको genuinely देख के लग रहा है दिल्ली में सर्दी आ गई है. There we go. Congratulations on the award. Moving on to our next award. This is Best Use of Meme. Now, social media drives on meme culture, and the winners pulling this off is hashtag Starshine Design 13C 5G launch by RVCJ Media. Please give it up for the winning team. अभी भी कुछ नहीं कहना चाहेंगे? अच्छा ठीक है, इन्होंने बचाए हुए अपने वर्ड्स और प्राइजेस के लिए. वेल डन सर. जैसे लोग डेटा बचा रहे हैं ना आपके कंटेंट को देख देख के, बचने नहीं दे रहे हो. रोज का 1 GB तो जा रहा है. बेस्ट इन्फ्लुएंसर पार्टनरशिप सेलिब्रिटी is the next category, and the winners are Martin Garrix Music Academy for JBL India by Rep India. Please give it up for our winners joining us on the stage. I'm assuming the winners are not here, or are they? They're coming. Acha, took your sweet time, please. No worries. We are not in rush. आइए आराम से. Yeah, I asked them, you want to say a few words? She was like, जितना टाइम तुमने शुरू करने में किया उतना टाइम हमने आने में लिया. Balance करना है लाइफ में. I'm kidding. Congratulations, ma'am. Ladies, well done. Next category is Best Influencer Partnership Instagram. And this one goes to Maruti Suzuki Epic New Swift launch by RVCJ Media. Give it up for RBCJ Media team once again. मुझे पता है आप बाद में बोलोगे ठीक है सर थैंक यू कंग्रेचुलेशंस वेरी वेल डन मूविंग ऑन टू आवर next category this is best integrated campaign and this one goes to hashtag game of life can we please get the winners up on the stage with a round of applause ICICI Lombard do we have the team here presuming not okay moving on to our next category then best customer service through social and this one goes to promise of 24 for JBL India by Rep India please welcome both the ladies once again with a big round of applause on the stage Well done, congratulations. नहीं compulsion नहीं है बोलने का आपको जा सकते हैं It's your call if you want to say a few words. That'll be great. If not, that's greater. All right, we're moving down to some of the big categories in this section. And these are going to be the big ones coming your way. Starting with Social Media Person of the Year. Now, in the world that we are living in, we see a lot of influencers, we see a lot of digital traction, so it's really difficult to make a dent in the digital sphere, and the person who's done so deserves a lot of applause. So please give it up for Social Media Person of the Year, Apurv Garg, Social Media Lead at MediBuddy. Please give it up for Apurv Garg. Right. So Apurv is joining us digitally. He's coming up on the screen. No, I'm kidding. But congratulations to Apurv wherever he is. Well done. Next award is Best Design Designer. And this one goes to Abhishek Kumar. Do we have Abhishek in the house? ताली बजाई दीजिए कोई बात नहीं. Nonetheless, we don't have Abhishek as well. We are going to presume this is Abhishek and give out the award. No, we won't. Okay, the next award, the big one, is Social Media Enterprise of the Year. And this one goes to Grow to Viral. Do we have the team in the house? Right, I'm presuming not. Difficult, yeah? भाई साहब मतलब ऐसा कंफर्म होने के बाद में भी नहीं आ रहे never mind but that happens right on social media digital world आपको authentic follower जितना ढूंढना मुश्किल होता है उतना ही I think हमारे winners ढूंढना मुश्किल हो रहा है आज but we've got one team that I'm sure is here Social Media Agency of the Year no brownie points for guessing this one but you still can मैम ने तो उंगली कर दी साइड में कह रही यही होंगे Bang on, ma'am. RVCJ, please give it up for Social Media Agency of the Year.
I just want to thank all the team members of RVCJ and we have been working hard, very hard for the campaigns and to receive such awards is a great achievement obviously and we'll keep on entertaining. Thank you so much. Cheers to RVCJ and we'll keep on entertaining you guys.
Cheers to RVCJ. Thank you.
Well done sir. Cheers के नाम पे 4 लोगों ने drink उठाई मुझे अच्छा लगा. That's nice. Okay, all the awards that you're getting, everybody who's in the room, please make sure you use the hashtag Inkspell Media, hashtag Social Star Awards 2024, so that we can probably trend it on social medias and digital spheres, thanks to RVCJ team and other partners that we have. All right, that's the first set of awards. And we'll take a short break now, reconvene, try and find more people who are coming up in the next category, and of course, try to fill your glasses. I see some empty glasses on those tables. Can we get them filled up again in 10 minutes? In 5 minutes or so, we'll be back. And thank you once again. Congratulations to all the winners. You've refilled your glasses because it's time to celebrate the third edition of Ad World Showdown 2024. This is the ultimate battle of branding and advertising, and an engaging meeting place for many great marketing minds like yourself. Inkspell's Ad World Showdown hails to be one of India's top programs designed to recognize and celebrate excellence in branding, creative communications, and advertising effectiveness. And to give out these awards, I would like to invite on stage Malini Prasad, AVP Marketing, ICICI Securities. And I'll request all of you to kindly join me in welcoming Malini Prasad on the stage with a huge round of applause. Can we do that, please? Thank you, ma'am. Welcome. Right, quick reminder, you can use the hashtag Ad World Showdown 2024, hashtag Inkspell Media. And before we do that, some good pictures of the lady on the stage. Yes, well done. All right, the first category, the first award is Best Brand Experience through Competitions and Promotional Games. And this one goes out to introduction of Ambari Utsav buses by KSRTC. Please give it up for Team KSRTC who are joining us on the stage. I am presuming they are parking their bus somewhere, but they should be here soon. Moving on to our next category then. Best Low Budget Digital Media. And this one goes to Perfectly Styled Weddings, Raymond, Madison Media, Zipads. Can we please get the winners up on the stage with a round of applause? They are here. Give it up, give it up, give it up. Our next award is Best Traditional Campaign for TV, and this one goes to CNN News 18 Indian of the Year 2023. Can we please get the winners up on the stage? Presuming they're not here, we are moving on to our next category, Best Brand Experience through Live Shows, Concerts, Festivals, and this one goes to Mineshaft Media, Poila Parbon. Can we please invite the winner on the stage with a round of applause? Congratulations, sir. Our next award is Best Customer Acquisition and Retention, and this one goes to introduction of Palki buses by KSRTC. I know for a fact they're not here, still parking the bus. Next one is Best Digital Media Integrated Campaign, and this one goes to TVS Credit Namma Uru Ponunga Women's Day Campaign. Can we get the TVS Credit team up on the stage? And we've got the gentlemen walking in. Can you put your hands together and join me in welcoming the gentlemen? Would you like to say a few words later? Thank you. Congratulations, sir. Up next, best use of events and stunts, and this one goes to Concept PR's amplification of Nabard's Mahalakshmi Saras Mela. Can we please get the winner up on the stage with a round of applause? Congratulations, ma'am. Up next, best digital campaign for social and others. The winners are TVS Credit Saksham Community Outreach Program. We do not have the TVS Credit team in the house. We do, of course. The gentleman is walking back once again. A fantastic ramp walk to see for all of you with a round of applause. Can we? There we go. Later. Well done. आपने भी स्ट्रैटेजी कॉपी कर ली है रजनीकांत वाली आराम से बोलेंगे वेल डन सर कंग्रेचुलेशंस बेस्ट लो बजट कैंपेन एंड द विनर्स आर द ग्रेट इंडियन फ्रीडम फेस्ट कैन वी प्लीज गेट द विनर्स अप ऑन द स्टेज इफ दे आर इन द रूम presuming not moving on to our next category then best media relations. And the winners are Hire Appliances India. Can we please request the team if they are here to join us on the stage? We have. Can we please put your hands together and join me in welcoming Best Media Relations winner, Hire Appliances India. Thank you. Congratulations. Very well done. Next category is Best Digital Campaign, Financial Services, Banking Enterprises. And the winners are Avaz, a story of an inspiring journey. Do we have Team Avaz with us? We do. Can we put your hands together? Congratulations. Up next is Best PR, Travel, Leisure, Restaurants and Fast Food Chains. And the winners are Branding of Premium Bus Services by KSRTC. Not the same joke. You can keep it. Moving on to the next one. This is PR Effectiveness. And this one again goes to Introduction of Ashwamedha Classic Buses by KSRTC. My bad. Best Digital Campaign, Non-for-Profit Charity or Government is the next category. And the winners are New Emerging World of Journalism. Do we have the winners in the house? We do. Can we request you all to put your hands together and welcome the winners on the stage? All right, the next category is Best PR, Financial Services, Banking Enterprises. And the winners are Concept PR's Organic Media Outreach Program for India Bonds. Can we please invite the winners up on the stage? Well done, congratulations. Up next is Best 360 Integrated Brand Experience, and the winners are CNN News 18 Indian of the Year 2023. We don't have CNN team here with us. We'll be making sure to send the awards to them. Up next is going to be Best Corporate Image, Communication and Reputation Management. And of course, the winners are introduction of Ashmeda Classic Buses by KSRTC. They are not in the house. We're moving on to the next award then. Best Corporate Purpose Social Responsibility Campaign. And the winners are Future Female Forward, the Women's Collective. Can we please invite the winners on the stage? All right. The next category in that case is Best Digital Campaign Video. And the winners are Airtel 5G Plus, Connecting the Odds. Congratulations for the award. Moving on to our next award. This is Best Traditional Campaign through Content Creation and Production. And this one goes to Future Female Forward, the Women's Collective once again. And they are not in the room, so we'll move on to our next category then. Best Digital Campaign Mobile. And this one goes to Pay Less, Gain More campaign, Bajaj Markets, Zipads. Can we please invite the winners on the stage with a big round of applause? I know you can do better than that, Tilly. Come on. Well done. Well done, gentlemen. Up next is Best Internal Communications and Employee Engagement Award, and this one goes to How's That for Airtel Thoughtcom India Private Limited. Can I please invite the winners, if they are here, to join us on the stage? Moving on. So all these are last minute cancellations for various reasons, so they are not here, and we'll make sure that we send these awards across to their offices. And with that, we're moving on to our next award. This is Best Trends Moments Brand Experience Offline, and the winners are The Budget Box. Can we please get the winners up on the stage? आप लोग भी मेरे से आगे चल रहे हो. जब तक विनर नहीं, कोई चलता नहीं दिख रहा, तब तक ताली नहीं बजा रहे हो. Very nice. Well done. Savings, huh? Okay. The next award is Best Regional Campaign, and this one goes to Airtel 5G Plus True Stories of Kerala. I understand that. इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ because multiple people are coming up on the stage. ये team आ रही है ना. Congratulations to the team. The next award is Best Digital Campaign YouTube, and the winner is Eat Spicy, Drink 7-Up, Repeat, Zenith Pulse by Zipads. Once again, joining us on the stage.
Thank you so much for this lovely awards. I would like to congratulate to every winner and all the best to nominees. And thank you so much, Inkispel, for this lovely awards. Thank you.
Well done, sir. Thank you so much. उन्होंने जहमत करी है अवार्ड के बाद स्पीच की. I believe you should do the same and reciprocate with a round of applause every time we get a winner up on the stage. Next category, Best Traditional Campaign, Financial Services, Banking Enterprises. And the winner is Even Celebs Need It. Do we have the winners? Yes, we do. Give it up for Even Celebs Need It. वेल डन मैम, कंग्रेचुलेशंस. इसे कहते हैं बराबरी. हाँ, मतलब बराबर. पिछली बारी मैम आई थी अवार्ड लेने, वो फोटो ले रहे थे. इस बारी आप आए हो, वो फोटो ले रहे हैं. वेरी नाइस. घर से फोटो लेके चलने वाले लोग. We've got these camera people as well. You can access all your pictures on our social handles and also use the hashtag. We'll also do that, so you can access all your pictures. Moving on to our next category. This is Best Media Planning, E-commerce, M-commerce. And the winner is Faraz Hindade, Managing Director, Rhythmed Media. We've got the gentleman joining us on the stage. Please put your hands together. Congratulations, sir. Very well done. Second last award in this category is Best Use of Technology, and this one goes to Higher Appliances India. We don't have Higher Appliances in the room, so we'll move on to our last award in this category, and this is a big one, of course. Brand of the Year. Any guesses for Brand of the Year? Who do you think it should be? You're absolutely right. KSRTC, they are not here. We can still applaud for them. Well done. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Very kind of you to join me. I'll let you go and take your seat now. All right. I think we should spice it up a little bit. I've got some goodies to give out to you, and I think it's the right time we dive into it, right? Can we please have somebody help me out with the goodies that we have? Yeah, okay. So we'll try and keep it simple. Wherever you are, I'll ask you a question, answer the question. If you can answer it before anybody else, you get yourself this prize that we have. It's got 1 lakh rupees ka photocopy in it. And a gift as well. So yeah, it could be yours by simply, okay, we've got this. Right, you want to guess the actor. Very simple. We'll show you a picture. You need to tell me who this gentleman is. Wherever you are, shout. First person to shout. Bobby Deol. Well done, sir. DJ Bobby Deol in demand. Okay, anybody else? Sanjay Dutt. Okay, well, I'm just taking your answers, and I'll tell you which one is the right one whenever I've got a few answers from you all. Any random thoughts in your head, please? Sam Kapoor. Well done, sir.
सलमान.
माइक लेके कौन बोला?
यहाँ पे.
कहाँ
Here,
पे?
here.
आपके पास माइक कैसे है पहले बताओ? इधर पड़ा था. He grabbed the opportunity with both the hands. Well done, sir. Who did you say?
सलमान.
Salman Khan. Well done, sir. Okay. Any other guesses? I've got 5 more seconds probably for this. Arbaz Khan. Sir, उसका तो आजकल मलाइका नहीं देख रही. Yeah. Ranbir. Oh, I am also confused like Deepika. Which one? Ranbir Kapoor. Okay, no. All right. Well done. People in the VIP seats at the back. Dharmendra. Okay. Jackie Shroff. Rishi Kapoor. Could be. Good guess, sir. Well done. Good guess. All right. Last chance. Anybody else? Who said Sunny Deol? Sir, finally, sir. Can we show the right answer? Well done, brother. Super stuff. ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है कि यहाँ पे कुछ हुआ है? मेरे इंक स्पेल वाले भाई भी बैठे हैं, डब्बा भी पहले रखा हुआ है. Acha, we keep the awards fair and this too. So congratulations, very well done. The next one is this. Tell me who this is. Yes, sir. You can shout, sir. Who? Preeti Zinta. Very nice. Okay. Anybody else? Give it a go. श्रद्धा कपूर. ये वाली टेबल इंटरेस्टिंग है. कुछ तो अलग लेके आते हो आप. I like it. श्रद्धा कपूर. All right. Anybody else? Rough guess, man. Alia Bhatt, Deepika Padukone. Alia, Deepika, Alia. Okay. Can we show the answer? It's Preeti Zinta. My man, congratulations. Well done. नेस्वाडी आपको ढूंढ रहा है सर. This for you. Who's this good looking lad? सबने सही जवाब दिया है, बट पहले आई थिंक ये इधर से आवाज आई थी रणदीप हुड्डा. इस टेबल से किसी ने चिल्लाया था. Which one? The lady at the back. Can we please? Excitement काफी था रणदीप हुड्डा के लिए आपका. Very nice. All right. Tell me who this is, and we'll give you a prize. Wow. लग रहा है मैंने पूछ लिया है, आप अपना अप्रेजल क्यों डिजर्व करते हैं. बहुत मुश्किल सा सवाल है. या एनी गेसेस? शाहिद कपूर. ऑलराइट. कुणाल खेमू. वेल डन सर. Anybody else? Anybody else? People at the back, left, right, center. Deepika, ma'am, it's apparently a guy. Hint. As a matter of fact, I have no clues who this is. So no hints, I'm kidding. Can we show the right answer, please? This is... It was as difficult as Mallika Sherawat's career itself. Very difficult. Couldn't help it. Nobody was even close, right? Fine. I'm sorry, what? Stop serving this man alcohol. I thought this is the easiest one, sir. It was supposed to be Shah Rukh Khan, right? It was supposed to... I thought this is... So this is the reason I have had this up. You gave the right answer. तो मैं प्राइस देने आ रहा था. मैं तो बस बात कर रहा था, गुस्सा नहीं करते. So I was trying to put this one because it's probably the easiest one. शाहरुख का फेस ही चेंज नहीं हुआ बचपन से. सर ने बोला पीयूष मिश्रा. एक प्राइस दे मेरे को. हाँ, just for the audacity. Sir, I'll give you a chance to win this prize because you were the odd one out. What do you do for your brand?
Nothing.
Important come. Okay, so let me try and ask you to do this for me. Little bit. 1 से लेके 20 तक count कर दो आप and I'll give you this prize. You count from 1 to 20. First number in Hindi, second in English, third in Hindi, fourth in English, fifth in Hindi, sixth in English, seventh in Hindi. So apparently you cannot stop just like social media in between, right? Go for it. 1, 2, like that, 1 to 20 without stopping in between. पीयूष मिश्रा की तरह नहीं बोलना है, थोड़ा जल्दी जल्दी बोलना है. Right? Go for it.
1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
ये बीच में एंड लगाया था आपने, फिर भी दे रहा हूं मैं सर. Well done. All right, can we get the next picture up, please? Tell me who this is. Okay, we have people here I did not even know. Nice. We've got Alia here. Okay, anybody else? It's Deepika. Okay. Who? Sonakshi. Right. आप भी सोनाक्षी के साथ हैं? अच्छा, आप ही सोनाक्षी बोले. Okay, Sonakshi. Right. Anybody else? Sara Ali Khan. Well done, ma'am. Yes, sir. Katrina. Excitement था Katrina बोलते हुए. I like it. All right. How's the Josh? No. The correct answer is, of course, Deepika. This one's for the lady at the back, I'm presuming. Wow. You've got 1 glass of wine and 2 prizes already. Moving on to our next one. Tell me who this is. And you'll get yourself a prize. Johnny Lever. What have you been drinking, bro? I'm kidding. These are just jokes. Right. Johnny Lever. Fine. I'll take that. Anybody else? You got any? It doesn't have to be a Bollywood person. Baba Ram. How? I have a question. How do you go from Johnny Lever to Baba Ramdev in 10 seconds?
Yoga, that's why I guess. You from yoga.
Yoga करने से होगा बेटा, हाँ करने से होगा. Very nice, sir. That's a nice one. Anybody else? Anybody else? दे दो सर को प्राइज यार. This is actually Baba Ramdev, sir. How do you get to that? Well done. What a lovely picture also. Sir, Baba Ramdev has been acting for the last 20 years called Patanjali, a great movie. My bad. All right, the next one is this. Tell me who this person is and you'll get yourself a prize. Badshah. Wow, okay. Lance Klusner. मैंने क्या सुना? कुछ तो सुना. No, you said something, no? No answers. Okay. Anybody else? Anybody else? Apparently it is Badshah. How did you get this one, man? Congratulations. The same lady at the back? मैम मुझे लग रहा है सेट बना के जाओगे आप 4 का ना. इतने प्राइजेस जीत गए आप. बहुत बढ़िया. Okay जी, tell me this one. Who's this? Katrina. Okay, we got Katrina here. Katrina Kaif here. Katrina ही है. Okay. Anybody else? FYI, not Katrina. Not Katrina. Jacqueline Fernandez. Okay. Anybody else? Sara Ali. Okay. I'll keep on helping you. This is the last one. So not Sara Ali, not Jacqueline Fernandez. Anybody else? Who? Tara Sutaria. अच्छा मुझे कुछ और सुनाइए. Tara Sutaria. No sir. Not Tara Sutaria as well. Anybody else? Kareena Kapoor. No sir. Not Kareena. Anybody else? Last 10 seconds. Nora Fateh. Not Nora as well. Pooja Bhatt. Not Pooja Bhatt. Alia. Not Alia. Shania. Not Shania. Sohali Khan. Nahi. Ananya bhi nahi. Ananya bhi nahi. Last 5 seconds. Twinkle Khanna bhi nahi. 3. Zareen Khan. नहीं. कटरीना भी नहीं है. 2. प्रियंका नहीं सर. हर्षाली मल्होत्रा नहीं सर. शी इज लाइक ये है कौन? वैलिड. नो मैम. मुन्नी जो बनी थी ना, जिनको सलमान भाई छोड़ के आए थे. मुश्किल करते हैं सलमान छोड़ने का काम. एनीबडी एल्स? अनन्या पांडे. नो मैम. Sushmita, Malaika, you still want to go for it? Okay, fine, let's go for it. I'll take my... Fine, go for it. जितने नाम याद है बोलिए. अनन्या भी नहीं है, मलाइका भी नहीं है, सुष्मिता भी नहीं है, करिश्मा भी नहीं है, करीना भी नहीं है. विजय माल्या कौन बोला? Sorry, I'm kidding. Anybody else? Any other guesses that you might have? The wildest of the guesses that you can think of. Lara Datta. Amrita Arora. No, sir. Selena Gomez. आप बिना पिए ऐसे हो. I want to see आप पी के कैसे होते हो. Just kidding, sir. Well done, though. Well done. All right. No other guesses? Can we have the answer, please? आप बड़े disappointed और खुश at the same time? What is going on? All right. So no winners in this one. Well done on that. But you want to continue? We have time. We have some time. Okay. Let's move on to simpler things in life. IPL auction हुआ था. Cricketer बहुत सारे enthusiast होंगे, cricket के fans होंगे. Tell me ये बच्चा जो कौन है बीच में बैट लेके खड़ा है? कि सर हाथ नहीं उठाने का, दिल्ली में आप सीधा बोलने का. केन विलियमसन. सर को प्राइज दो पहले. आपके पास बहुत सारे हैं. This one's for you, sir. The good-looking man on the right. Well done. Oh, ताली भी बजाई लोगों ने. Very sweet. Who's this? Shikhar Dhawan, not the right answer. I'll keep on telling you right answers as well since cricket. हार्दिक पांड्या सर, ये उल्टा खेलता है. वैसे हार्दिक भी उल्टे सीधे शॉट मारता है, fair, but left-handed batsman. Saurav Ganguly, no sir, it's a batter and a bowler, all-rounder. युवराज सिंह नहीं सर, ये साउथ से है सर. I'm helping you as we go along, not Jadeja as well. दिनेश कार्तिक भी नहीं है, वो बैटर हैं सीधे हाथ के, उल्टे हाथ के हैं सर, लेफ्ट हैंडेड. तिलक वर्मा नहीं, ये बॉलिंग भी करते हैं. जडेजा नहीं सर, क्लोज नहीं सर. श्रीसंत नो मैम. वॉशिंगटन सुंदर, अति सुंदर जवाब सर. दिस टेबल इज लाइक हुज दैट. ये भी सही सर, अब तो लेना ही पड़ेगा आपको गिफ्ट. हाँ सर, मैं 6 का पैक बना रहा हूं आपका. हाँ, just wanted to know if everybody's in the room. ये पिक्चर इसीलिए है ताकि सब एक साथ बोल पाए कुछ. Of course, this is Virat Kohli. Moving on to the next one. Tell me who this is. Difficult. Harbhajan Singh. Okay. Saurav Ganguly. Okay. चलो, I'll reveal it. Saurav Ganguly, पक्का? लॉक कर दूं? बचपन से वो ऐसा ओपनिंग में कुछ भी करते हैं जैसा इन्होंने भी किया. मूविंग ऑन टू नेक्स्ट वन. टेल मी हु दिस इज. ये भी इसीलिए था ताकि आप बात करो मुझसे. I've got some of these squeezed in between. Of course, moving on to the next one. ये राइट वाले जो डब्बे पे बैठे हैं भाई साहब, काम्बली, वेस्ट इंडियन प्लेयर है वो. सर ने सीधा ही काम्बली बोल दिया. लड़की के साथ है तो ब्रावो होगा. What? Can I get a mic for this table also, man? This is fun. Okay, this table is fun. Rahul Dravid. No, sir. West Indian player, not Indian. West Indian, sir. Sunil Narayan, very close. उनके island के ही हैं. शिव नारायण चंद्रपॉल, very close. ट्रेन किया इन्होंने शिव नारायण चंद्रपॉल के साथ में. New fella. He has also played in IPL. ब्रावो, लेफ्ट हैंडेड है ये भी लेफ्ट हैंडर है. नहीं सर, गेल नहीं है. सही जवाब. किधर हैं सर आप? Oh, finally this table has got something. I'm so happy. Well done, sir. All right, next one, please. You know. Moving on to the next one. कितना खुश बच्चा है. Tell me who this is. I would be wondering if somebody would say Shrikant for this. Malinga, close sir. Very close. Indian player है वैसे. मलिंगा इंडिया खेलते हैं तो. श्रीसंत नहीं. अभी IPL auction में he was sold for a big number. Went to Chennai Super Kings. Not a year. Not that big number, sir. श्रेयस तो crazy था. Ashwin, no sir. Went to Chennai Super Kings. हैदराबाद से 3 नंबर में बैट करते हैं. Very difficult. I'll unveil this. This is, दिखा दो सर. राहुल त्रिपाठी. ये कौन है वाला legit? Okay. Tell me this guy. David Warner, John T. Rhodes. Okay. Steve Smith. Not the right answer so far. Ricky Ponting, nahi. Brett Lee. Shane Watson. Who said Shane Watson? दोनों ने एक साथ बोला. तो अब डिसाइडर करना पड़ेगा आपके बीच में. माय गुडनेस. एक कॉइन देना मेरे को. हेड. किडिंग. द करेक्ट आंसर इज, I was messing with you all. All right, moving on to the next one. Tell me who this is. Kumble nahi. Venkatesh nahi. Srinath bhi nahi. Young lad, sir. Young lad. Indian, sir. Yes. I'll unveil this. Too difficult for you all, of course, because इसको खुद नहीं पता था ये select होएगा. Moving on. Abdul Samad करके एक खिलाड़ी है. Tell me who this is. ऋषभ पंत, हाँ दोनों एक ही है सर. 2 महीने अलग का फोटो लिया, एक ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट, एक कलर. ऋषभ पंत, हु सेड ऋषभ पंत? हु सेड ऋषभ पंत? सर, वेल डन सर. Wrong answer. Just messing sir. All right, can we show the right answer? Difficult है बहुत. I was hoping कोई तो बोलेगा. Okay, next one. इधर से और उधर से कहीं से एक आवाज आया, टेबल से पीछे. युवराज सिंह, राइट वन. सर को एक प्राइज दो. कैन वी मूव ऑन टू आवर नेक्स्ट वन? ओके, ये बहुत ही सिंपल है यार. I'll give कितने प्राइजेस बचे हमारे पास में? A few. Let me know when to stop. Okay, tell me this movie. बहुत ही simple. Yes! Now we know we are in the room. Of course, I'm not giving a prize for this. Moving on to the next one. Tell me who this is. Nice. Very nice. Next one. ऐसे ही करना है आपने जब अगला अवार्ड आए. ये इसी के लिए सेगमेंट ऐसा ही यूनिसन में सीधा लेके जाओ इसको यार. सेकंड कर दे, चल ठीक है, चलाई दे. ये बनता है बिकॉज सिंघम फीवर इतना ना. एक प्राइज दो मैम को दबंग बोलने के लिए. वेल डन. ऑलराइट. मैंने चुलबुल पांडे भी लिखा था उधर. कैमियो सिंघम में भी आ गया. बढ़िया. Nice. Moving on to the next one. सबका जवाब आएगा तो no prize. Next one. Tell me who's this. Next one. कभी हाँ कभी ना कौन बोला? सच बोलो, कौन बोला? कभी हाँ कभी ना सुना मैंने. Who was that? There was somebody. I'm giving you a prize. Who was that person? Nobody. All right. Moving on to the next one. Nice. Next one. You guys are on the movie business, huh? All right, moving on to the next one. तुम नहीं बनाए क्या सारे मीम ये मेरे? हैं? इतना पता कैसे तुम्हें? Moving on to the next one. Tell me this. Okay, we are getting into the difficult. किससे मैम? Oh, no, moving on to the next one. No prize for this. ये प्राइज बनता है. आंखें निकाल के गोटियां खेलूंगा पे प्राइज बनता है. Well done, sir. Let's have a round of applause for my man. Come on. All right. Moving on. Tell me this is. Karthik calling Karthik, sir. Karthik calling Karthik, sir. Well done, sir. Wrong answer. हेरा फेरी आपने जवाब दिया था. सही बताने के बाद भी गलत जवाब कौन दे रहा है? Who's this? सर, कौन सी ड्रिंक पे हैं आप? थर्ड, फोर्थ, फर्स्ट पे. लाओ प्राइज दो यार इनको फिर इसी बात पे. Let's give them a prize. No sir, I'm not giving. मैं तो मजाक कर रहा था. Moving on to the next one. Tell me this movie. Krish, of course. Nice. Okay, next one. Right वाले पे इतने सारे ना मैम, कैसे दो? गोलमाल कौन कौन? How many for गोलमाल? How many for all is well? How many for फूल और कांटे? फूल और कांटे वाले ज्यादा है, तो फूल और कांटे is the correct answer. I'll give it to you. सबसे पहले किसने दिया जवाब? आपने दिया था? Sir, all yours. Very sweet of you. All right, next one. Movie. सही बात है, बहुत बढ़िया. Congratulations. एक और दे दूं सर आपको? हाँ, सेट इकट्ठा करेंगे. बड़ी जल्दी हो, एकदम से गर्म हो गया ऐसा लग रहा है. All right, tell me this movie. How many movies you all see in a day, dude? मैम एक उधर पीछे दे दो, वो वाली टेबल पे सर को, जो आमिर खान जैसे है. फास्ट ना एकदम, ऐसा सेकंड में जवाब दिया आपने. ओके, मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट वन. टेल मी हु दिस इज. ओह, व्हिच मूवी इज दिस? You are very good at this apparently. Give it to him, man. Give it to him. Can't help it. एक इधर और एक पीछे वो टेबल पे हम आपके हैं कौन वाली मैम को. ओके, आई थिंक लाओ डब्बे लाओ, वो पूरा बक्सा लाओ. इधर रख दो, इनसे जो बचेगा फिर आगे लेके जाते रहेंगे. Please give it to this gentleman as well. All right. Anything else? If you get how many boxes do we have? Wait. How many boxes do we have? We got 2. I will give you not 1 but 2 boxes if you answer this correctly. Delhi says not the right one. मैंने प्यार किया हो चुका है sir. If you get this correct, I'll give you 2 prizes, not 1, because it's that difficult. आप मुझे क्या पता सर? Delhi 6 not the right one. मैंने प्यार क्यों किया is not the right one. Amrish Puri what? DDLJ no sir. Very difficult. Cult movie, cult classic. New, some 10 years, not more than that. Can I give some more hints? क्या कैसे?
वो डायलॉग था ना, यहाँ कबूतर भी उड़ता है तो एक से बचाता है, एक से उड़ता है.
If he's right, and damn it, he's right. I was expecting only the answer, not the dialogue. But well done. Well done. That was crazy, dude. Let's have a round of applause for all the winners. Good job, you guys. Super stuff. Okay, so we'll take 5 minutes, refill your drinks, get some snacks, and then we'll start with the last set of awards this afternoon. We'll see you in 5 minutes. Thank you. Can I request you all to take your seats back? So before we dive into the last category, the last set of awards, want to thank... Check. Who's wiring the phone? Check, okay. Want to thank once again our partners, blog partner ED Times, media partners for press release, integrated marketing partner Kensio, media partner Global Trends Forum, and India Creatives Industry Council. Thank you for all your support. Simultaneously, we have 2 more awards going on. Drivers of Digital DoD Awards 2024. You can go to www.dodawards.in and get your registration in order. Also, we have Video Media Awards, Vidya 2024. You can go to www.vidyaawards.com and submit your entries there as well. Now we're in business. When we see some glasses falling somewhere, that's when you know this is a properly informal event. So welcome back. Thank you so much for joining us. This is going to be the last set of awards, and this is the 6th edition of India Content Leadership Awards 2024. It's a platform dedicated to honoring individuals and teams who have demonstrated exceptional expertise in leveraging data and analytics to drive content success. This esteemed event aims to recognize the trailblazers, the innovators in the field of content analytics, highlighting their invaluable contributions in optimizing content strategies and fostering business growth. And to do the honors of handing out these awards, can I please invite once again Mr. Vipul Tiwari from Inkspell on the stage? And of course, the man behind getting all of us here in the room along with his team. You can put your hands together for Vipul. इतना साउंड नहीं देते तो भी सैलरी आती है आपकी. But thank you. Also, on your way out at the registration desk, you can take your carry bags and, of course, the boxes that will help you take all your trophies in. So at the entrance, please make sure that you do it. And we also have a photo op zone. You can get your pictures there if you haven't done that already. All right. With all of that out of the way, it's time for 6th edition of India Content Leadership Awards 2024. And the first category is Best Content in a Media Entertainment App. And the winner is in-app video capability for Amazon Music app. Can we request the team to join us here if you're with us? Next category is Best Content in a B2C Digital Campaign. And the winner is Geo True 5G. I believe they're not here. So we'll move on to the next category. Best Content in a Digital Media Campaign by an ITES, IoT enterprise. And the winner is Driving Traffic and Conversion for Slides AI with Content. All right, we've got the winners. Give it up. On all the social medias in this category, you can use hashtag India Content Leadership Awards 2024, hashtag Inkspell Media, and everybody else can access the pictures, and we'll do the same. Moving on to our next category, Best Content in a Digital Internal Communication Campaign, and this one goes to How's That Airtel and Thoughtcom India Private Limited. They weren't here, I believe, for the last award as well, so we'll move on to the next one. Best Entertaining Content on Radio or Podcast, and this one goes to Be a Man Yaar with Nikhil Taneja, Season 2. Come on. Be a Man Yaar, give it up for the winning team. Well done, ma'am. Congratulations. Best Content in a YouTube Campaign is the next category, and the winner is Artist Diaries by Amazon Music India. They're not here, so we'll move on to the next one. Best Content in a Business Blog Website, and the winner is Orient Paper Industries Limited by Right Knowledge Labs. Okay, so in case if you are the winner and you're coming here, please kind of raise your hand, because I get confused either you're coming to get a peg or the award. So just raise your hand and I'll know. Moving on to our next one. Best Business Financial Content in Print, and the winner is Tata Consumer Products Integrated Annual Report for FY 23-24. Don't have the winners here. We'll send it across to their office. Best Financial Content on Social Platform. The winner is The Fireside Chat by TVS Credit. Congratulations, sir. Up next, Best Content in an Educational Blog Website. And the winner is Driving Extra Marks B2B Growth with a Smart Content Strategy. And we've got the winners right here. Please give it up and welcome them on the stage. Congratulations. Up next, Best Content in an Influencer Marketing Campaign. And this one goes to hashtag Be More with Intel, Dentsu Creative Branded Content Team. Give it up for Dentsu Creative Branded Content Team joining us on the stage. Next award is Best Content in a 360-degree marketing campaign, and this one goes to Geo Air Fiber. Since they are not here, we'll move on to the next one. Best Content in an Instagram campaign, hashtag Maine Kuch Kiya, Dentsu Creative Branded Content Team. Can I please invite you back on the stage? Congratulations. Okay, FYI, in case आपने हमें बताया नहीं था कि आप आने वाले और आप आ गए हैं, तो हमें प्लीज़ फिर से बता दीजिए कि आप आ चुके हैं, so that we can arrange your award और आप उसे घर ले जा सकें. Simplified enough. If you did not inform us earlier and you're still here and we haven't taken your award or your name, please let us know so that we can do the same. Thank you. Moving on to our next award. तू पहले बजा ले. रुक जा एक second. Thank you. Right, moving on to our next award, Best Vernacular Local Language Content on Radio Podcast, and this one goes to TVS Credit, Namma Oru Ponunga Women's Day Campaign. We've got the team up here, give it up for them.
So unfortunately, the rest of the team couldn't be here. So on behalf of TVS Credit, I'd like to thank the organizers, Inkspell, the judges, and everyone here for all these honors. Thank you so much. It means a lot.
Thank you, congratulations. Love the accent also, sir. Fabulous. अंग्रेजी अच्छी सुनाई देती है accent के साथ ना. Give it up for the team once again. Well done. Super stuff. Best lifestyle content on social platform, and this one goes to Tata Consumer Products Valentine's Day social media campaign. Do we have the winners in the house? All right, moving on to our next award then. Best content in a traditional media campaign for a media entertainment enterprise, and this one goes to The Walk In by Amazon Music India. They're not here as well. Best content in a financial services banking blog website, and this one goes to Scatter IDFC First Bank. We've got the team up here. Give it up for the team. Congratulations. Most innovative creative content in a digital marketing campaign goes to localized content for brand discovery and lead generation. And we've got the team up here. Give it up for them.
Yeah, thank you so much. Take this opportunity to thank our client, High Care Services Private Limited, also Inkspell for the recognition and the entire team who worked on the project. And you are doing a great job, so thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Means a lot. दिल्ली के लड़कों की तारीफ कर दो ना, भूल जाते क्या करना था. मैं भूल गया इसके आगे गया. I'm kidding. Thank you so much. Very sweet of you. Best content in a B2C marketing campaign, and this one goes to Jio Bharat. We don't have Jio. Okay, ma'am just walked up. जैसे ही मैंने announce किया ना, मेरे को confusion हो गया if you're the one. No, you're not. Okay, nice. Moving on to our next award then. Last 10 awards. We need some energy in the house. Best content in a B2B digital campaign goes to Driving Extra Marks B2B growth with a smart content strategy. Once again, give it up. Up next is Best Non-Fiction Content in Print. And this one goes to NDRF Coffee Table Book by Interactive Bees. Please give it up for Team Interactive Bees.
Thank you so much for hosting such a lovely event, Inkspell, and all the judges for putting it very beautifully together for us. It really gives me a lot of happiness and feel very excited. Thanks to my lovely team and kudos to each one of you for having such a beautiful and a wonderful evening. Thanks a lot.
Congratulations, ma'am. Best content in a digital integrated marketing campaign goes to hashtag Dream Se No Samjhota campaign by Tata Tele Business Services. We'll move on to our next award, Best Educational Content on Radio Podcast. And this one goes to A Century of Stories, India. They're not here as well. They are here as well. I like to flip things up. Give it up for the man coming up on the stage.
I'm collecting this on behalf of the client, IDFC First Bank.
Thank you, sir. Congratulations. इतनी जल्दी फ्लिप करा मैंने आईपीएल में मैं कमेंट्री करते हुए इतनी जल्दी फ्लिप नहीं करता गेंद हवा में है हवा में अच्छी नहीं थी बहुत बढ़िया सर सुपर स्टफ मूविंग ऑन टू आवर नेक्स्ट अवार्ड this one is best content in a social media marketing campaign overall and this one goes to Khushiyon Ki Energy for Gale India by Interactive Bees Air Raids.
So happy for the work to be recognized. Thank you, Inkspell and the judges. And great job by Raveen.
Thank you, sir. These are not paid promotions. FYI. Thank you. Congratulations. Very well done. Moving on to our next award now. Best content in a healthcare fitness blog website category goes to Using Content to Drive Traffic Growth by 1700X for Health E. Give it up for Team Healthy.
Thank you, Inkspell, for the opportunity, and congratulations to the team who's worked hard for this.
Well done. Congratulations, sir. Can we get a peg for sir so that he can get his energy up now? You finally got the award, sir. Let's get this party started. Moving on to our next award. This is Best Business Financial Content on Radio Podcast. And this one goes to Do Big Podcast by Tata Tele Business Services. Moving on to our next winner. Best Sports Content on Social Platform. goes to A Century of Stories, cricket in collaboration with Mumbai Indians. Will be sure to send this award to their office. Best content in a video marketing campaign goes to hashtag Dream Se No Samjhauta campaign by Tata Tele Business Services. And they are not here, so we'll move on to our next one. Best business financial content on TV. This one goes to Leaders of Tomorrow, Season 11. Don't have the winners. Last 3 awards for the night. Top Content Agencies Independent. Please give it up for Right Knowledge Labs. Top Content Agencies Network award goes to Just Words. Finally, we've got the winner in the house. Give it up for them. Congratulations to Team Just Words. Mata Rani pop lagayegi unke aane se pehle agar aap ruke to. Give it up, give it up. Come on people, put your hands together. ਭਾਈ ਵਾਰੀ ਵਰਸੀ ਕਰਨ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ ਖਟਕ ਲਿਆਂਦਾ ਖੀਰ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਵਾਰੀ ਵਰਸੀ ਕਰਨ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ ਖਟਕ ਲਿਆਂਦਾ ਖੀਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤਾੜੀ ਨਾ ਬਜਾਏ ਆਪਣੀ ਮਸ਼ੂਕ ਦਾ ਵੀਰ ये एनर्जी कहाँ थी? This is what I want. Congratulations, Team Just Words.
So thank you, Inkspell, first of all. And it feels like coming back home because it's the 3rd year in a row. And we are really thankful to Inkspell for considering us for this prestigious award. And we look forward to coming back again and again. Thank you so much from the team Just Words.
Thank you. Congratulations. Now you can go back to your VIP seats at the back. Last one, the big one of the evening. Ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise for Content Enterprise of the Year, Whirlwind. Give it up for Team Whirlwind.
I might as well say a few words given that this is the last award. Everyone must drink up now. So, but no, very glad to receive this award. Thank you, Inkspell. This is directly, this effort is what my team does day in and day night. And I think it's a great recognition knowing that we, given the fact that content is becoming more and more important, I feel this is like a great recognition for us. Thank you.
Congratulations. Wow. Okay. So essentially, see, the bottom line stays that we had more than 600 entries across 200 categories. Of course, not all of them were here. But then again, we send our regards to them. We'll make sure that we send all the recognition, the trophies to their offices. But we want to thank all of you for being here with us. Please make sure you use the hashtags Inkspell Media, Social Stars Awards 2024, hashtag India Content Leadership Awards 2024, and hashtag AdWorld Showdown 2024. That way you can get access to all the pictures that other people are taking. Of course, we'll do the same so that you can take all the pictures and the videos from our social handles. From Inkspell Media, that's about it from our side. We want to thank all our partners, of course, once again for being so kind and giving us their valuable support. And blog partners at times, media partners for press release, integrated marketing partner, Kenzio, media partner, Global Trends Forum, India Creatives Industry Council. And yeah, thank you to each one of you, honestly, for making your afternoon available to us. And before we say bye-bye to all of you, of course, the bar will be open for half an hour more, so you can get your celebratory drinks. But before we let you all go, can I please invite all the winners to kindly join us on the stage for a group photograph so that we can use this for our social media. All the winners, if you can join us here. Bring along your trophies as well. Okay, so one corporate picture with a normal smile, yeah? One corporate picture. Now one Delhi picture. I'll say, you know what I mean. I'll say 3, 2, 1, you shout, scream, do whatever you want to do, right? Not whatever you want to do. Not to Delhi. These are just jokes. Lovely. 3, 2, 1, make some noise! Awesome. We're good? Yeah? We're good? One more? 3, 2, 1, make some noise! Done. Thank you so much. So kind of all of you for bearing me for whatever time span we were together. My name is Ravin Kundu. It was a pleasure to be a host. Hopefully I'll see you around. Enjoy the rest of the evening. Grab your drinks. We have the bar open for half an hour more. On behalf of Team Inkspill, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप सभी का अपना time देने के लिए. We'll see you in the next one. Please do not forget to register for our 2 awards that are going on. DOD awards are up and running right now. And video media awards as well. Go to www.dodawards.in to register, and for www.mediaawards.com as well. Your registrations can be given. If you want to take pictures after 5 minutes, we've got the winners of a few categories just walking in now on Indian Standard Time. So well done. We've got the best low budget campaign, the Great Indian Freedom Fest. Can we please invite the winners up on the stage? Team CNN, can you please join us up here? There you go. नहीं जाइएगा नहीं, बहुत सारे अवार्ड्स हैं. Best Traditional Campaign through Content Creation and Production, Future Female Forward, the Women's Collective. CNN team is here with us to collect this award as well. जाइएगा नहीं. Best Corporate Purpose Social Responsibility Campaign, Future Female Forward, the Women's Collective. Once again, Team CNN. जाइएगा नहीं. Best Trends, Moments, Brand Experience Offline, the Budget Box, Team CNN. Right. You can change a few people now. The next award is Best Traditional Campaign TV, and the winner is CNN News 18 Indian of the Year 2023, Team CNN. Here we go, one more. Best 360 Integrated Brand Experience, CNN News 18 Indian of the Year 2023, Team CNN. What do you have to say for yourself? No, I'm kidding. Please say a few words.
No, it's fine.
Thank you so much for these awards, for a bunch of awards, and looking forward to, next year.
Lovely. Entry देखी आखिर में सलमान भाई की तरह. Congratulations to Team CNN. Wonderful stuff. It's time. Get your pictures on the stage. It's all yours. Get your drinks. We are serving till 6 o'clock. And thank you once again to all of you for being here with us on behalf of Team Inkspill. Have a fantastic evening ahead.